Hello, my friends. Wanted to come on here and tell you about a webinar that is happening today, just in a couple of hours here. We'll just go over everything that I have been going on about for so many weeks now. This is the Daily Pay Blueprint. Go sign up. Check out the webinar, www.dailypaysixfigures.com. Sign up and I will send you the link to the webinar that is happening in just a couple of hours. You don't want to miss this. This is a great way to get some information about this business. My life has changed so much just in the 1 month that I've been doing this. There's nothing to lose. Just if you're struggling to pay your bills, you're wondering how you're going to retire, you're wanting to quit your 9 to 5, you are looking for work from home, go to www.dailypay6figures.com. Sign up and I will send you the webinar that is happening right away. You don't want to miss this. Also, I will be going live during the webinar. So if you catch my live, you will actually be able to watch the webinar with me. So, and always shoot your questions my way. I'm so happy to answer them.